I'm Daniel. I'm a manager of SAP Technology within Fanuc Europe GmbH. We have a strong focus on sales and service. We are a subsidiary from our mother company in Japan. Our products are CNC controls, robots, cobots, molding machines. And within my area of responsibility is as well SAP Cloud ALM. Our Cloud ALM journey started with the SAP Greenfield implementation project called Boost. We looked for a cloud solution which was also supported and pushed from our CIO. Therefore, the decision was very easy to go with SAP Cloud ALM. We were very surprised how fast and easy user onboarding can happen, as well as with the standard content provided. Especially in the area of user onboarding and offboarding, the close integration to IDS helped a lot. Now, just with some mouse clicks, you can onboard or offboard users to Cloud ALM. This was a dramatic time increase in the project. In addition to the user on and offboarding, also we reduced drastically the end user trainings. This could be achieved through the intuitive apps and also the easy navigation. Like all projects, we had a very tough timeline, and I would say without Cloud ALM test management, we wouldn't have accomplished that in time and in budget. Beside the time, we also use the analytics APIs for our daily stand-ups and stand-downs. This helped to increase transparency about the testing progress, and this transparency was key for monitoring and also fine-tuning the project. I would strongly advise to start now, not wait, because a lot of functionality is already there and it is continuously growing.